The Honourable Crispin Lyson.
Mr. Speaker, I've drawn the short straw to respond. Yesterday was the 800th anniversary of the sealing of Magna Carta, and I say for Mr. Robertson's benefit, it was sealed, not signed. And we had a function in the Grand Hall attended by you, Mr. Speaker, the Leader of the Opposition, Mr. Parker, Dr. Graham, and several other members of Parliament. In my speech, I mentioned the comments of UK Supreme Court Judge Lord Sumption, who began his recent address to the Friends of the British Library by saying, quote, "It's impossible to say anything new about Magna Carta unless you say something mad. In fact, even if you say something mad, the likelihood is that it will have been said before, probably quite recently." So I look forward to Mr. Peters' contribution. His comments reflect two opposing points. First, that the role of Magna Carta is frequently misunderstood, but second, that its role is of such importance that few documents have been more influential to countries like our own. What we can say for certain is that Magna Carta has come to symbolise the enduring values and principles that guide our society today, values such as freedom of religion, the right to justice and human rights. Only one section remains in force today. Much of the original text dealt with grievances specific to that time, and almost all of the 63 clauses have been repealed. Nearly a third were deleted or amended only 10 years after it was first sealed. But the sole section that remains in force is one of the most important, and I quote, "No freeman shall be taken or imprisoned or be disseized of his freehold, his liberties or free customs, or be outlawed or exiled, or any otherwise destroyed, nor will we not pass upon him nor condemn him, but by lawful judgment of his peers or by the law of the land. We shall sell to no man, we will not deny or defer to any man either justice or right." Mr. Speaker, this section is powerful in its symbolism of the rule of law, and that is Magna Carta's most vital role today. It may not have been the original source of the principle, but it certainly today embodies the idea that everyone is equal and accountable to the same standard under the same law. And we should be very proud that our country is built on the foundations of this tradition.
The Honourable David